Available night vision helps you navigate better in the dark by showing a thermal video and giving alerts when certain large objects are detected ahead of you. If equipped, night vision thermal video can be used during the daytime to help you see through fog and lighting changes, like when entering or exiting a tunnel. At night, the thermal video will display and highlight pedestrians or large animals. Warm objects will appear lighter in the thermal video. Remember, white means hot, while a darker color means cool. If a pedestrian or large animal is detected more than 30 feet in front of the vehicle, a yellow box appears around them. If equipped, when the system detects that the vehicle is approaching a pedestrian or large animal too quickly, the yellow box changes to orange. And if the object is still in the vehicle's pathway, it changes to red. When the box changes to orange or red, a collision alert flashes in the windshield or head-up display, along with 8 high-pitched beeps, or 5 safety alert seat pulses, depending on your alert settings. The thermal video works at all times, but detection only works under the following conditions: at night or when it's dark enough outside with your headlamps on and the vehicle in a forward gear, or if you're in park and the headlamps are off. Detection won't be available during the day or if temperatures exceed 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. You may see a message saying that detection is unavailable, with icons indicating that it's not active. Visit Cadillac.com/support for more information.